Mr. Pearl struggles with sleep. He blames others and his life because of it. He lost all of his hope that he could ever get rid of his insomnia. For the people who don't know what insomnia is, that's a state of life where you can't fall asleep because of some factors. The only way that he can fall asleep is when he masturbates before the actual sleep. Whereas Lucifer... he understands the importance of a high-quality sleep. He prioritizes his sleep because he knows that without it, he won't be able to perform on his highest level. He learned the hard way all the steps for taking care of his sleep. And he is so kind that he's going to share some of his knowledge with you. Number 1, open a window. Opening a window is going to make sure that you have a fresh air in your room so that your body and your mind can calm down and it can forget about all the work that you have to do during the day and all the things that you are responsible for. And it also calms down the temperature in your room, okay? I mean, if you're living in Africa, that's probably not gonna work because you have pretty high temperatures there, but during nights you also have colder environment and colder temperatures, so don't be afraid to open the window and you will get a colder room and fresh air room, which is gonna help you to fall asleep faster. Number 2 is to make the room dark, okay? Any unwanted lights in your room, if you have some computer button lights, that can also affect your sleep. And I mean, the normal lights, like, they should be switched off, obviously, alright? So switch off every single light that you have in your room and try to make it as dark as possible. And also close the blinds, okay? Close the blinds so the moonlight is not gonna stop you from sleeping, or stars are not gonna stop you from sleeping. Nights are dark, but if you wanna sleep even better, it's just better to close the blinds as well, so even the night lightning is not affecting your sleep. Number 3 is to avoid any kind of screens. The blue light that is damaging your sleep is really crucial, okay? The screens produce this blue light when you're looking at it. At least switch the mode into nighttime mode, okay? Switch the lightning of the phone into a nighttime mode, okay? Trust me and believe me, this is gonna help you fall asleep faster because you're not damaging your eyes this way. But the best thing to do is to just avoid it at all. 30 minutes, avoid any kinds of screens, and that's gonna help you significantly. I know it's hard because it's super addictive to look at your phone, look at your computer and all those things, but it's necessary for you to understand that those things are damaging your sleep and they shouldn't be neglected, okay? So try to avoid screens 30 minutes before you go to bed, and it's gonna significantly improve your quality of sleep. Number 4 is to work out, be active, and use your energy in the day. This is important because sleep is here for the body to recharge, okay? And if you sit on the couch all day long and you don't do any work, you don't use your body to produce something to work, it's gonna be harmful to your sleep because you will have all this energy inside yourself and you will not be able to fall asleep as fast as if you actually used the energy from the previous night. If you use the energy, if you work out, if you hit the gym that day, if you had a hard time at work, like, you're gonna be so tired that you will fall asleep super fast without even realizing it, okay? So try to use your energy in the day as much as possible so it's easy for you to fall asleep because of how tired you are gonna be. Number 5 is to take a warm shower and do your hygiene. I mostly don't recommend warm showers. I'm more of a cold shower guy. I recommend cold showers in the morning. But if you don't want to do cold showers in the morning, you should try them, definitely. You should try cold showers and you should try to adopt them because they're better for you. But if you can't take a cold shower and you're not just able to do it yet, you can use a warm shower in the evening, okay? Don't use a warm shower in the morning, okay? That's not gonna work, because the warm shower has effects that will make you more tired and won't be able to do anything. So using warm showers is only beneficial if you do it before you go to bed, because it actually can make you more sleepy. which is gonna result in you falling into sleep faster. And when it comes to hygiene, like every single person should have some kind of hygiene routine in the evening and in the morning as well. So always brush your teeth, do your things, maybe groom yourself and do all those things in the evening so you can look your best the next day and you can shine. And a bonus tip is to have sex. And you might be probably asking, what the hell, Andrew? What the hell, Andrew? What did you just say? Look, I'm not joking, okay? It's gonna make you fall asleep faster. And I'm super confident in this belief that I know that other people would agree with me, okay? Other people that I know would agree with me that sex in the evening is gonna make you fall asleep a lot more faster. I'm not joking, okay? I mean, yeah, there is like no fap and all those things, but if you want to do that, like do it. What you have to do is to stop watching porn. Like definitely stop watching porn. That's like damaging your brain. It's not gonna bring any positive things into your life. So stop watching the porn, okay? Don't watch porn. It's useless and it's not gonna bring you anything beneficial into your life. If you can't fall asleep and you're just rolling yourself from the one corner of the bed to another corner of the bed, you're switching your positions, doing all those things, and you're not able to fall asleep in any way, like just have sex, because that's gonna make sure that it's gonna release this dopamine and it's gonna make you super sleepy, and it will calm down your hormones and it will clear your mind a little bit, and you will forget about the problems and all the things that you have to deal with. That's gonna make sure that you fall to sleep a lot more faster. That's all from me in today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.